In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a digital product with Woocommerce. If you're looking to turn your expertise into a digital asset and share it with the world, this guide is going to walk you through every step of the process in just 5 minutes. Let's start by heading over to WordPress.com. This is your go-to platform to build your website, where you'll host and manage all your products. If you haven't already, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will streamline your workflow in the steps ahead. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, locate the Login button. It's time to access your dashboard where the magic happens. Use your existing credentials to log in. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry about that. After you log in, you're going to be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is your control hub where you'll manage everything related to your website. From here, you'll see a section dedicated to Woocommerce. This is the plugin that empowers you to sell products right from your site. Click on the Woocommerce tab. If it's your first time, you'll notice a setup wizard that can guide you through the initial configurations. However, for now, let's focus on adding your digital product. Navigate to the Add Your Products option. This is where you'll start defining what you're selling and how. Here, you'll have a choice of product types. Since we're focusing on digital products, select the Digital Product option. This ensures that the system is optimized for non-physical items, thus eliminating the need for inventory or shipping details. Once you've selected Digital Product, you'll be prompted to add details such as the product title, description, and price. Don't rush through this part. Take the time to craft a compelling description that highlights the value and benefits of your product. Next, you'll be required to upload the digital file, whether it's an ebook, a video tutorial, or a collection of resources. Ensure that your file is formatted correctly and is free of errors. Also consider adding an attractive product image that represents the contents well. This visual cue can significantly boost sales by grabbing potential buyers' attention. Finally, make sure to review all the details you've entered, from the description to the price, and most importantly, the file itself. A thorough check here can save you from potential headaches later. Once everything looks good, hit publish, and your digital product will go live for your audience to purchase. And there you have it. A streamlined process to create and sell a digital product using Woocommerce. With this setup, your digital goods are now part of a global marketplace, ready for enthusiasts, loyal followers, or anyone interested in what you have to offer. Happy selling!